everybody, it's Kelly Driver here. Welcome to my art channel. Today I am going to enhance an existing painting with embellishments. Before I got into acrylic pouring, I did a portrait and it was an abstract style portrait painting. And I've had it in my personal collection, but I never varnished it. So I've got the opportunity to do something a little bit more to it, and I've wanted to try out using gold leaf for a while, and this is the perfect painting to do it on. So this is just a little quick video adding some gold leaf onto my painting. I think her name is Serenity, and that's what I called her. And we're gonna enjoy having a try using gold leaf and see how we go. Thank you for joining me. Let's have some fun. Hi guys, so today I'm going to do just a quick little video of using gold size and putting on gold leaf onto a painting. Now I've applied this stuff about 10-15 minutes ago, and now I'm going to put on my gold leaf here and use it for the first time. So first of all, we'll start up in this corner up here. And you just brush it on. You can see where it's stuck and where it doesn't want to stick, and that's based on where I put the size. My brush is just dry. Well, that looks awesome. Okay, now we're going to put on the final oh my gosh. And there you have it. Beautiful. Another way to put embellishments on a beautiful artwork. Had I varnished it, I wouldn't have been able to do this, but I've just had it hanging up and never bothered to varnish it because I was working on other projects. And then now I'm so happy that I wanted to have a go at this gold leaf concept, and this is the perfect piece to do it with because it's already got the abstract vertical lines going on. So now I've just managed to enhance it further, and I love the way it's just so random. I love it. So very happy with this. And now it is time for signing it and varnishing it after a 2-year hiatus. Fantastic. Here is my lovely lady, Serenity, back in her frame with a satin varnish and the gold leaf on there. So happy with it. I had to re-sign the artwork down the bottom there, so that was good. And she's just beautiful, and the gold leaf is very easy to use. Seems very daunting, but compared to some of the other things I do, it was rather easy to use. So definitely encourage you to give it a go. And Serenity and I will see you another time, me much sooner, for another video. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.